Hello guys, I am Simran and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about most important question, which is how many bags are too many bags. So as a girl, I love having bags, and you must be aware that a bag makes or breaks your outfit. So even if your outfit is boring but you have a good bag, you stand out. So you are a corporate girly, someone who goes to office like every single day. You must be knowing the importance of bag because you have to go for meetings, then there are some corporate events, etc. And for other girls also, if you like being put together, you must be aware that bag is the most important accessory that you carry. And as a corporate girly, I have a lot of work bags, but I wanted some other type of bags as well. And so yeah, I have got a huge parcel from a brand called as Hot Sauce, and today we are going to review it one by one. I'm not going to talk about a bag which is like viral, but we are going to think practically. So we need a bag which is stylish, and we need a bag which is versatile and can be styled with multiple outfits. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, this is a huge parcel, it's heavy. Okay, so yeah, let's start with my first bag, which is this one. So cute, I love it. The first thing which I love about this bag is these two neutral tones, brown and this color is complementing one another like nothing. And then it's open. It's perfect for the days where you don't want to carry much but you want your outfit to look complete. It has these type of compartments, so yeah, I can easily keep my lipsticks, my wallet, etc. And it elevates the outfit like nothing else. Best thing about this bag is definitely going to be its quality. Look at the leather that it has, and it is so structured. It can be styled very well and it looks so chic. So I'm going to talk about a bag which is like a tote bag and looks so pretty. Just first look at the color. Look at the quality. If you can see, the threads are so very well stitched and looks so smart. And the best part, it has these 4 stands so that it doesn't look slouchy. It's completely empty right now. And if I'll keep it here, look, I don't like bags which are kind of slouchy. I'll show you the compartment that it has. So when we talk about the compartment, it has this huge compartment. It also comes with a sling if you want to increase the belt, and then it also has a pocket. So yeah, you can keep all the small stuff here. Most importantly, a moment for the shape of the bag. It's so different, so versatile, and can be tried. They can be styled in so many ways. So of course, in each and every wardrobe, there should be mandatorily a white bag. And of course, I have ordered one also. But I wanted to make something like, I wanted something interesting. So I have ordered this semicircular bag. It is kind of like a sling bag. And it's perfect for days where you just want to go for weekends. And since it is white in color, or you can say cream in color, it can be styled with multiple outfits. And it will go perfectly with dresses and will look so cute. Easily carry your mobile phone, and along with the makeup, it has 2 compartments so that everything remains in place. And yeah, I think I love this sling bag as well. So when we are talking about whites, we are talking about neutrals, then how can we forget black? So yeah, but again, I didn't want my black bag to be kind of boring. So again, they have played very well in its shape. Just look at it. I am in love with the shape. कोई भी boring outfit हो, if I add this bag, it will just elevate the outfit and make me look like 10x cooler. So yeah, it's really nice. I just love the shape and the color. And of course, हर bag के यहाँ पे मुझे quality के लिए बोलना पड़ा है because the quality is again amazing. It looks so nice. show you उसको खोल के. So yeah, it has this space. This space is like kind of enough to keep your makeup, your mobile phone, and important accessories in it, etc. So yeah, overall it's very pretty. Now we have talked black, we have talked brown, we have talked beige, we have talked white. I need to have colors in my wardrobe, at least one color, and what is better than this has to be my favorite. It looks so pretty, it's so cushiony and soft. I am in love. This is perfect for those parties where I'm wearing a pretty black dress and I want to elevate my outfit, and I'll definitely put in this green bag. And another thing why this is my favorite, I ordered Adidas Mary Jane, and I think it would look so perfect with my shoes. So yeah, I am absolutely in love. Now let me show you what's inside. So yeah, again it has this space, and it also comes with this bigger chain. So if you want to make it kind of like a sling bag, then you can do that with this chain. And other than that, you get this strap which makes it like a shoulder bag. So yeah, it's so pretty. And just look at the quality. And so cushiony. Okay. So yeah, we have talked about all the bags that I ordered. I ordered like 5 bags, and I have tried to cover like each and every angle. And just look at them, they look so cute right up here. So honestly, I love all the bags, and I truly believe that a good bag can actually make or break your outfit. So yeah, and all of these bags were from a brand called as Hot Sauce, and the best thing that I like about them is of course their quality. But other than the quality, the structure, the different styles that they are, experimenting with are all amazing. So the fact that all of these bags are in a budget, so you don't have to spend like hefty amounts to get one single bag and then you are bored of it. Order like multiple bags in a budget, so they are budget friendly. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment and subscribe. It would genuinely mean a lot. I'll be linking their page below so you can check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.